Hey guys, welcome to DelfStack, and today I will be showing you how to change Spotify username. So guys, I want to tell you right away that you cannot change your actual Spotify username because it is a unique ID, but you can easily change your public display name of what other can see. So from here, just simply open up the Spotify application into your device. Now, over here, you just simply select your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. And now you can just simply go ahead and tap on view profile. So tap on it. And from here, as you can see, this will be our profile. You would just simply select edit over here, and as you can see, the only have or option that you have is to edit out your name. So for example, I'm going to go for DelfStack. And after that, you just simply select save. And from here, you should be able to have your name change. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video help you understand more. So guys, maybe in the future, Spotify have a chance to change the username, not just the display name on the application. So we have to wait for some time or for a new update to have this feature added into the future of Spotify. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.